Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of login problem on Nova or Chatbot AI Nova. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above you will search for Chatbot AI Nova like this. Here we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, we'll turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.